Hi, my name is Keenan, and all of us from Group 13 will be presenting about research misconduct and ethical engineering. We are trying to promote integrity in engineering practices.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Afnan Azman. For the introduction, I will present about the research misconduct, mistake and error. What is research misconduct? Research misconduct is referred to serious violation of ethical standard in conducting or reporting research. For the example is fabrication, making up the data, and then falsification that manipulating data so that the research is mispresented, and then plagiarism is using another person's idea without giving proper credit. And then we jump to mistake. Mistake are unintended and typically arise from human limitation. For the example, data analysis that misdirecting a statistical result, and then experimental procedure that use the improper method, and then writing and reporting that misrepresentation of source. And then we jump to the error. Error in research and professional practical are typically unintentional inaccurately in data collection analysis or interpretation. For the example is system error, that's measurement instrument calibration issue, and then random error that mean the environmental fluctuation.
Good day, and I'm Darren Lopez. So let us now delve into the critical issue that has garnered significant attention in recent times, which is this research misconduct. This topic is particularly relevant as it challenges the very foundation of academic integrity and trust in scholarly work. So, in 2024, a Francesca Gino, a Harvard Business School professor, was accused of fabricating data in several published papers. The investigation that followed uncovered additional suspect data across numerous studies, points to broader systemic issues in academic research. This case does not only highlight the ethical lapses of individuals, but also underscores the weakness in our current processes and institutions. Thus, it serves as a wake up call for academia to re evaluate standards for peer review, ensure greater transparency in data reporting, and establish robust mechanisms in order to detect and prevent misconduct, biased reviews, as well as plagiarisms. So ultimately, this incident emphasizes the necessity of upholding rigorous standards in research to preserve the public trust and the credibility of academic institutions. Let us now explore how such preventive measures can be implemented. And I will now pass this to our partner, Punita Tebar, for the next section.
Falsification can be distinguished from legitimate data selection. Falsification means altering test results to produce misleading conclusions, whereas legitimate selection is selecting data based on justified and predefined criteria. I would like to give you an example case study. For falsification, a scientist studying a new drug finds that 5 out of 50 participants show no improvement. To make the drug appear effective, they delete those 5 data points without justification. For legitimate selection, the same scientist excludes 5 participants because they did not follow the treatment protocol. For example, miss multiple doses, a reason stated in the study's methodology.
So let's move on to the conclusion. So, in conclusion, research integrity is essential in engineering and science. Research misconduct, including fabrication, falsification, and plagiarism, differs from honest mistakes and errors, which are unintentional. Recent cases such as Francesca Gino highlight the growing problem on unethical practices. A key distinction is that falsification involves deliberate manipulation, whereas legitimate data selection follows justified criteria. Such misconduct damages credibility, leading to retractions and loss of trust. Upholding transparency and accountability and ethical oversight ensures scientific reliability.